Welcome back, guys, girls. It's another episode of What's in Your Drawers. This drawer had some bigger pocket knives in it, so we'll see what they are. Let's get into it. Well, we'll start with this mammer jammer here. Let's see here. Auto clip. Look at that. That's a fancy clip. You can adjust the tension on your pocket clip just by rolling this wheel here. This is a SOG, old school SOG. Kind of cool. Yeah, upside down. Specialty knives. So there you go. We're ahead of their time. I wonder what this is. Like jig Delrin. Cutmaster. In New York. Made in USA. Two blades. All right. Starting to heal up. Not a whole lot of snap left in those. Probably just needs cleaned. Number 3, it's a large Stockman. Probably a Camillus. Yep. Camillus, New York, USA. I've got a Camillus store display, an old one from a hardware store. This one, I should set this one aside. This looks pretty nice. This one can go in that. What number this is? 67. Yeah, it looks good. I don't think this one's been used. It's pretty cool. This one, Browning. Browning number 810. Made in the old country. Kind of cool. Wood inlay. Lock back. Kind of cool. Like old Doc used to say, you see the buck? And if you look inside the buck's head, you'll see a doe. Pretty cool. Next one is another Camillus. You can tell there by the I was looking at that like it was an eagle. It's actually a wolf howling at the moon. I kind of like this wildlife series. American Wildlife. Camillus. Got half stops. Boy, these things, they do have a whole lot of snap to them. Look at that. I don't want to get my finger caught in that. Yeah, no thank you. Last one is a folding hunter. Seems like I played with this not too long ago. Oh yeah, I did. This is an Olsen. Olsen Knife Company. Sold in Germany. Yeah, it's got a pretty good powerful spring in it as well. That's a pretty cool knife. Jeez. Man. Pretty good looking knife. Well, there you guys go. That's a what's in my drawers big pocket knife version. So thanks guys for watching, and till I see you all again, have a good one.